By far, the most important organs of sense are our eyes. We perceive up to 80% of all impressions by means of our sight. Vision health is what helps you do even the simplest tasks, and everyone just takes it for granted. With the help of OCUPRIME, your eyes will be healthier than ever, if taken regularly. The effects are backed by both scientific studies and customer reports that express complete satisfaction with the results. A new solution to support your vision and wellness. Keeping your eyes healthy makes it easier to enjoy your favorite activities, such as reading, watching TV, playing games with friends, taking walks, or going on trips to explore the world. My name is Dan Trout, and all my life I was fascinated by the eyes. Of all the senses, the eyes are the ones that help us discover the world, and that's why I looked for ways to keep them healthy. I will share with you some of these. 1. Practice frequent hand washing. Wash your hands regularly, to prevent dirty hands getting in contact with your eyes, eyeglasses, and contact lenses. 2. Protect your eyes from the sun. So aside from making a fashion statement, and adding oomph to your overall look, put on those sunglasses to protect your eyes. If wearing them is not up your alley, UV-protected eyeglasses or contact lenses will do. Putting on caps, visors and hats are also advisable. 3. Stay hydrated. Sufficient fluid intake is essential to your body's overall well-being, including the eyes. 4. Get enough sleep. Just like the rest of your body, your eyes need to recharge too, and this happens while you sleep. So make sure that you get sufficient shut-eye each day, to keep your eyes revitalized and healthy. 5. Keep a healthy and balanced diet. Beta-carotene, lutein, omega-3, lycopene, and vitamin C, A, and E, are essential for maintaining your eye health. Make sure that your diet is infused with different foods that are rich in those nutrients. Or, if you don't have enough time to buy or prepare these kinds of foods, you can try OCUPRIME. Because me and my team have already included in this formula eyebright, quercetin, bilberry, lycopene, magnesium, rutin, grapeseed, zeaxanthin, and lutein. Plus, 15 other useful vitamins and minerals, all of them having the mission to support your healthy vision. So just give it a try, the #1 rated eye formula. In the creation of OCUPRIME, we have looked at more than 60 clinical studies to find the right ingredients to optimize eye health and vision, including night vision. So, is OCUPRIME right for me? If you are like many of our thousands of happy customers who want to enjoy great vision, we are confident you will be pleasantly surprised. We recommend giving OCUPRIME a fair chance, for all the potent ingredients to activate and be absorbed by your body. If you're still uncertain, I understand you, and to take the risk out of ordering. Every bottle of OCUPRIME comes with a full 60-day guarantee. You can try it out and see its effects on your eyes and vision, with absolutely no risk whatsoever. Click the link in the description for access and a big discount.